What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking.
Exposing the secret to the most delicious chicken salad ever made. Welcome back to Culinary Recipe Creations. Today, we're making a chicken salad that will blow your taste buds away. First, grab some cooked chicken, chop it up. Next, dice up some fresh carrots and celery for that perfect crunch. Now let's add a twist. Toss in some assorted fruits like apples and grapes for a burst of sweetness. Don't forget the chickpeas for extra protein. Finally, the star of the show, a honey vinaigrette. Mix honey, vinegar, olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Combine everything in a big bowl, give it a good mix, and voila! You've got yourself the most mouth-watering chicken salad ever. Enjoy it as a main dish, or stuff it in a sandwich. Either way, it's a win. Love this recipe? Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and share. Thanks for watching Culinary Recipe Creations. See you next time.
Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.